Your business, any business, is made of hundreds, if not thousands, of individual processes. Someone does X, which leads to Y, which results in a business outcome. Simple, right? Well, when you add the complexity of different stages of the process living in different systems and being handled by different people in different departments using different methods, it gets very complicated. Fast. Now imagine trying to fix these processes so they're efficient at the scale of your entire business while wearing a blindfold. Here's where Celonis for Process Excellence comes in. We use the data from your systems to give you an X-ray of how your business is running, so you get a precise, real-time, completely objective view of your processes. Then we help you automatically spot inefficiencies, use your data to prioritize issues by business impact, taking a look at best practices as we go. Compare your as-is process to a to-be process model. This helps you guarantee you're only getting changes you want. So you get processes that feel simple again, and a business that's firing on all cylinders. That's why over 1,300 of the world's leading companies trust Celonis with their process excellence. Ready to become one of them? Let's talk.